Hello friends, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry. Hello alkanes, halorine topic completed. The next topic, that is also organic, alcohol, phenols and ethers. Okay, this is most important topic. Okay, today I am going to discuss next topic. Okay, that is what? Alcohols, phenols and ethers. Alcohols, phenols and ethers. Okay. First, in this case, we are going to study about only alcohols and phenols. After that, we will study what? Ethers. Okay. Next heading is, in this case, alcohols and phenols. First, we will study these 2 points. Okay. Just here, the next point, what is alcohols and phenols? Very simple. In this case, what happen? The OH group is going to attack on what? Hydrocarbon. Means just here, in this case, replacing hydrogen atom by what? OH group. Okay. Just here, I am going to write very simple point. This is what? What is the name of this one? Methane. What I am going to call very simple name is what? This is methane. Okay. I am going to write the methane structure like this. One is hydrogen, here is hydrogen. Totally how many hydrogens are there? 4 hydrogen. What is alcohols? What is alcohols means just here, in this case, replacing hydrogen by hydroxyl group means what? OH group. Replacing hydrogen by hydroxyl group, that is called what? Alcohol. Just here, I am going to remove this hydrogen, I am going to add a OH group. Okay. My aim is what? Remove this one. This is a carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen as it is, hydrogen as it is. In this case, I am going to write a OH. In this case, I am going to write a OH. What is the name of this one? General name is what? Alcohols. OH group is there 100% what? That is alcohol. Mean if you want, you can write like this also. This is what? CS3OH. Both are same, no? What is the name of this one? Methanol. Methanol is a what? IUPAC name. Common name is a methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol is a common name. Okay, this is what indicate alcohols. Means in this case what? Replacing hydrogen atom in hydrocarbons. Okay, that is indicate what? Replacing hydrogen atom in hydrocarbons by what? OH group, that is indicate what? Alcohols. Phenols means what? Replacing aromatic hydrogen by hydroxyl group, that is called what? Phenols. Okay. This is what? Totally alcohols. Just here, you know this word important. If OH group is there, what you are going to call? Hydroxyl. What you are going to call? Hydroxyl. Okay. Bear in mind, important. This arrow mark indicate what? That is attached to what? Carbon, like this. Here is there? No, totally. This group is indicate what? Hydroxyl group. Okay. This is what? Alcohols. Next is what? Phenols is there. Okay. Just I am going to write benzene ring here. Okay. This benzene ring means what? In this case what? Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Totally how many hydrogens are there? 6 hydrogen. Just here, this is one hydrogen is there. In this case, my plan is going to replace this aromatic hydrogen. This is follow the Huckel rule. No, this aromatic ring is there. Aromatic ring means what? This carbon is also aromatic. This hydrogen is also aromatic. Replacing aromatic hydrogen atom by hydroxyl atom, that is called phenol. That is called what? Phenol. I am going to write. This is just here. This is indicate what? OH. What is the name of this one? Phenol. IUPAC name is what? Benzoyl. Okay. I will tell you later, that is how we are going to write a IUPAC nomenclature and all. Okay. Now it is clear what is alcohol and what is phenol. Okay. This is the difference between what? Alcohol and phenol. In alcohol, there is no aromatic ring, but in phenol aromatic ring is there, must and should. This is important. Next, in this case, some of the points are there. Some of the point means in this case 2 OH group at a time not present on the what? Carbon, that is indicate that alcohol is a what? Unstable. Just here, in this case what? This carbon containing what? Only one OH group, no problem, this compound exists, this compound is a stable, no problem. Just here I am going to write, this is carbon, here one hydrogen is there, here one hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Next, here one is OH is there, here one is OH is there. This compound, such kind of compounds are unstable. Such kind of compounds are what? This is what? Alcohol, no problem. We call it as what? Alcohols, but it is a what? Unstable. It is a what? Unstable. Okay, just here such kind of compounds, in this case what happen? Immediately the water molecule will go out. The water molecule will go out. Just here in this case I am going to remove this water molecule. In this case what happen? OH is there, this hydrogen, OH minus H plus together what? Remove of water molecule, I am going to write minus H2O. There is a formation of product is what? Very simple. In this case just here, in this case what happen? Bond is there, this bond is going to donate here, OH will go out, hydrogen as it is, here what? Hydrogen as it is, double bond O. There is a formation of what? Carbonyl group. There is a formation of what? Carbonyl group. This is also most important, means our conclusion point is 2 hydroxyl group not present on the carbon at a time. That is what important. Compulsory means what? 1 OH group present on what? Only 1 carbon atom. Okay, next here in this case what? If 3 OH group are there, if by chance 3 OH group, okay, just here this is what? Hydrogen. This is also alcohol, no problem. We call it as alcohol, but it is a what? Unstable. But it is a what? Unstable. In this case also what? Immediately loss of water molecule. Just I am going to remove the water molecule, that is what? H2. Remaining things you have to write H, C, OH is there, double bond O. Okay, such kind. This is also what? Carbonyl, but 1 OH group is there. Such kind of compounds are unstable in what? Alcohol. Bear in mind important point. Okay, up to this is what? Introduction about alcohols and phenols. The next point is what? That is classification point is there. The next point is what? That is classification. Classification means in this case first alcohols. First classification we are going to study about what? Alcohols. Alcohols divided into generally primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, next one is what? Tertiary alcohols. Okay, first point classification of alcohol. Next heading, okay, all of you note on this point. Okay, next heading is what? Classification of alcohols. Okay, alcohols classified into 3 types. The first one is what? Primary alcohols. The second one is what? That is tertiary alcohols. Okay, just here there are 3 classification. If you want you can write there are what? 3 classification: primary, secondary and tertiary. Directly I am going to write. Okay, just here R is there. R is indicate what? CS3. Next after that in this case this is what? Carbon. This carbon containing what? 2 hydrogen. This is what? OH. Very simple. Just here what we are going to call, this is a primary. In generally what we are going to call 1 degree. Okay, that is what? Primary. Primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. Okay. Next question, why you are going to call as a primary? Very simple. This OH group attached to this carbon atom, this carbon containing 2 hydrogen, that is called what? Primary. This is one method. Okay. Another method is this OH group attached to this carbon containing how many CH3 groups? Only one CH3 group is there, that is called what? Primary. You have to understand in both the way, otherwise you have to follow first method. That means this OH group attached to this carbon containing 2 hydrogen atom, that is called what? Primary. The next category is, see here, this is R, next this is what? Carbon, next this is what? R. If you want you can write R dash, no problem. Next after that in this case H is there, next this is what? OH is there. This is what? Secondary. This is what? Secondary. Secondary alcohol. Okay. This is what? Most important, secondary alcohol. Okay, just here why you are going to call it as a secondary? Very simple. This OH group attached to this carbon containing only 1 hydrogen atom. That is what? First point. Second point is this OH group attached to this carbon containing 2 substituent groups or 2 methyl groups, we can say, no problem. This one is indicate what? Secondary. Next after that what? This R, next this is one R, here is what? Second, next one is what? OH. This is indicate what? Tertiary or a 3 degree. Tertiary alcohol. tertiary alcohol. This OH group directly attached to this carbon do not containing any hydrogen atom, that is called what? Tertiary alcohol. Very simple point. Okay. This is the what general classification of what alcohols. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Next one is what major classifications are there in what alcohols, that is a monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, the next one is what a trihydric alcohol. Okay. That is also important point. Next, classification of alcohol only, in this case what the sub point I am going to take here, okay, that is what monohydric alcohol, monohydric alcohol. Okay. Very simple, monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol means what in this case, important point is what, mono means what, one, only one OH group is there, that is indicate what monohydric alcohol. If you want you can write only one OH group, only one OH group, that is attached to what CH3, just here CH3 OH is there. What is the name of this one? Methanol. This is an example of what monohydric alcohol. Okay. The next second one is what dihydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol means di means di is there, no, di means what, two. The two OH group attached to two different carbon, that is called what dihydric alcohol. Okay, very simple. I am not going to write in this case what two OH group directly attached to what two different carbon atoms, that is called what dihydric alcohol. Example is what CH2, here is what CH2, in this case OH is there, in this case what OH is there. Okay, this is what another example of what dihydric alcohol. Okay, if you want you can write different things also, no problem. Okay, this is dihydric because of what two OH groups are there. The next one is what, that is a trihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohol. Tri means what, that is three. The three OH group directly means directly attached to a different carbon atoms, that is called what trihydric alcohol. CH2 OH is there, next one is what CHOH, the next one is what CH2 OH. What is the name of this one? Glycerol. The name of this one is what, important point is what in this case, that is glycerol is the what name. Okay, just here this is the what glycerol. This is what 1, 2, 3 is there, propane 1, 2, 3 triol, that is what IUPAC name. If you want you can write propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Okay. Next, what is the name of this one? The name of this one is what? Glycol. The name of this one is glycol. Ethane 1, 2 diol is a IUPAC name. Ethane 1, 2 diol. Ethane 1, 2 diol, this is propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Tri means what? 3 OH group. This is the what classification of what alcohols. Okay, this is what most important. This is also important. Make it perfect. If you want, you can take a screenshot. Okay, if you want, you can take a screenshot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay friends, the next one is what? The classification of phenols. Classification of alcohol completed. The next one is classification of phenols. Okay. Classification of what? Phenols. In this case, the phenols classified as what? Same only, monohydric, dihydric, etc. Okay. Just here, in this case, if two OH groups are there, in that case what? Ortho, para, next one is what? Meta. Such kind of words they are going to use. Just here, classification in this case, what is the name of this one? Phenol. The name of this one is what? Phenol. Okay, this is what? Monohydric alcohol. Only one OH group directly attached to aromatic carbon, that is called what? Monohydric alcohol. Next one is what? Dihydric is there. Okay, this is what? Here one OH is there, here one OH is there. What is the name of this one? Catechol. The name of this one is what? Catechol. Bear in mind, important, all the examples are what? Most important. Next one is what? 2 H group in this case also. This is the OH is there. Next, meta position OH. this is the ortho is there, this is the what, meta position is there. Okay, that's why in this case the name of this one is what, resorcinol, Re. Okay, resorcinol. Okay, this is also important, resorcinol, bear in mind. Okay, important, resorcinol. The next one is there, what is that, this OH group. Next in this case OH group, what you are going to call, this is quinol. This is what, quinol, because these two groups are away from each other. Okay, don't like that, means in this case very important point is quit, like this you have to remember, these two groups are away from each other, this is called what, quinol. Phenol, monohydric, all these three are indicate what, dihydric. Okay, that is what, important. Trihydric is there, but some of the examples are difficult. Okay, don't worry about that one. In this case phenol, catechol, resorcinol, next one is what, quinol. This is the what classification of what, phenol. The next important point is what, that is allylic alcohol. The next one is what, benzylic alcohol. The next heading important, allylic alcohols. Okay, very simple, allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol means you know very well about that in haloalkanes, haloarenes, allylic, benzylic, vinylic, okay, like that. Only in this case also allylic, very simple. The OH group is directly attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to a carbon-carbon double bond, that is called what, allylic alcohol. I am going to write an example. Okay, just here in this case CH2 double bond CH is there, the next one is what, CH2 OH. Okay, this is one example, very simple example, don't bad the things, you have to write a definition with the help of what, example. Okay, just here in this case what is the hybridization of this carbon? This carbon hybridization is what, sp3 hybridization. Okay, one more important point in alcohols, alcohol means what, the OH group is directly attached to what, sp3 hybridized carbon atom, but in phenols is not like that, the OH group is directly attached to what, sp2 hybridized carbon atom. That point also most important, bear in mind. Okay, here is just here, in this case what happened, just I am going to write a what, double bond. You know very well that is trick, I told in haloalkanes and haloarene trick is there, how to find out the hybridization. Okay, just here in this case what, this is a carbon is there. Okay, no problem. This carbon containing how many bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. 4 bonds means what, that is indicate what, sp3. 4 bonds means you have to count only sigma bond. Sigma bond how many are there, 3 sigma bond. 3 sigma bond means 100%, that is called what, sp2. If 4 sigma bond are there, that is called what, sp3. If you want you can write example here. Here OH is there, here 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, this is what, 3 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is hybridization of this one, sp3 hybridization. 4 sigma bond you have to write sp3, 3 sigma bond are there, you have to write sp2, 2 sigma bond are there, you have to write sp hybridization. That is our trick. Okay, that is why in this case important. Just here how we are going to write the definition of what, allylic alcohol. Just here this OH group directly attached to this carbon, sp3 hybridized carbon, the next to a carbon-carbon double bond, that is indicate what, allylic alcohol. In this case what, how many carbons are there, 1, 2, 3 carbon. In this case you have to write here 1, this is the 2, this is the what, 3. Totally prop you have to write prop 2 ENE 1 ol. This is the what, IPC nomenclature. I am going to write prop 2 in 1 OL. Okay, prop 2 in 1 OL. This is the what, IPC nomenclature of this one. Okay, just here the next one is what, CH2 double bond CH is there. Next in this case what happened, this was act as a CH2. Next in this case I am going to write CH2, this one is what, OH. Okay, is it clear? All the carbon having satisfy the valency. Just here this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. How many carbons are there? 4 carbon. Same definition only, but this is not possible. Now tell me why this is not possible. Example, what is our definition? The OH group is directly attached to a sp3 hybridized carbon atom next, the next carbon must and should carbon-carbon double bond, but in this case not like that. This OH group attached to this carbon, after that one more sp3 hybridized carbon is there, next carbon-carbon double bond. Such kind of compounds does not exist, means what, in particular allylic alcohol, but in general these compounds are exist. Just I am going to remove this one, just I am going to make a change here. I am going to make a, this is CH3, just I am going to remove this one, I am going to write OH here. Okay, Now is it clear? Now tell me, this is 1 2 is there, in this case 1 2 3 is there. Okay, that is why this is a 1, this is a 2 3 4, totally how many carbons are there? 4 carbons are there. 4 carbon means what? That is a but. Okay, that is why in this case but 3 in 2 OL. Okay, this is what I but En is there, but you have to write only. After that in this case 3 in you have to write but 3 in 2 OL. Okay, this is the what IUPAC nomenclature of what this one. This is indicate what allylic alcohol. The next heading is there, that is what benzylic. Okay, benzylic alcohol, benzylic. Okay, benzylic alcohol example, very simple example. I am going to consider this phenyl only. Okay, just here this OH group directly attached to what sp2 hybridized carbon atom. This is what is the carbon hybridization of this one, sp2. What about this one? Now tell me, sp3 is there. If sp3 is there, that is what allylic alcohol. If sp2 is there, that is what benzylic alcohol. OH group directly attached to a aromatic carbon atom, that is called what benzylic alcohol. Otherwise the OH group is directly attached to a sp2 hybridized carbon of aromatic ring, that is indicate what benzylic alcohol. This is the what IUPAC nomenclature is what benzenol. I will tell you later, but common name is what phenol. Okay friends, up to this is a what introduction part of what alcohols and phenols. Next one is what classification. The next important point we are going to study about a structure, that is most important, geometry. Okay, we will study next video. Thank you friends, subscribe and promote the channel. Okay.